You know, the biggest thing that's holding you back from being successful is you think that you need money to be successful. Well, it's not the money. Money is unlimited. To be successful, it's actually about your thinking. Now, get your thinking right, and what I mean by that is think of abundance. Money is literally unlimited, but there's only one of you. So if you have a unique skill set, a unique skill that you can offer to somebody that has a lot of money, because there's plenty of people that do have a lot of money. So get a skill set, get that frame of mind where you can literally do anything. You can turn money into more money for these people that do have it. Now, there's plenty of money that the banks have that they're willing to lend you. And for property, it's highly geared, it's highly leveraged. So if you're literally starting with nothing, you can buy property using no money at all, the same as what I did when I first started in property development. And even if you don't want to buy property, there's strategies where you can pass on properties to property developers and they actually pay you for doing that. I pay people for passing me on deals. Now, you've got to be one of our students to pass on deals, but the last person I paid to pass on a deal, which is one of my active deals I'm doing now, I paid them almost $100,000 to flick on a deal to me.